Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best 3D printer. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Tronxy Gemini S IDEX 3D printer. Specifications. Brand name, Tronxy. Slice thickness, 0.05 to 0.4 mm. Printing speed, 20 to 100 mm per second. Power supply, 24 volts. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed, 300 mm per second. Operating system, Windows/Mac. Bed temp, 100 degree. Slice software, Repetier Host/Cura. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Color print speed, 60 mm per second. Number 4 on our list is Anycubic Photon Mono X6KS LCD 3D printer. Specifications. Brand name, Gooseland. Printing speed, 15 to 60 mm per hour. Auto leveling, no. Language, English. Maximum printing speed, 60 mm per hour. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Interface type, USB. Power supply, 80 watts. LCD lifespan, 2000 hours. Print size, 20 by 19.5 by 12.2 centimeters. Control panel, 3.5-inch resistive touchscreen. Number 3 on our list is Creality HALOT-MAGE. Specifications. Brand name, Ender. Slice thickness, 0.05 to 0.15 mm. Printing speed, 15s/layer. Power supply, 100 watts. Maximum printing speed, as shown. Maximum working speed, 170 mm per hour. Operating system, Windows/Mac. File format, STL/OBJ. Molding technology, LCD. Voltage, 220 volts. Ender model, HALOT-MAGE. LCD screen, 10.3-inch monochrome screen. Number 2 on our list is Creality Ender 3v3 3D printer. Specifications. Brand name, Creality. Maximum printing speed, 600 mm per second. Diameter temp, 110 degrees Celsius. Bed temp, 300 degrees Celsius. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Slice software, Creality Print. File format, STL, OBJ, 3MF. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Mainboard, 32-bit. Operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Number 1 on our list is Creality K1C Speedy 3D printer. Specifications. Brand name, Ender. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.35 mm. Printing speed, 600 mm per second. Power supply, 350 watts. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed, 600 mm per second. Maximum working speed, 600 mm per second. Operating system, as shown. Diameter temp, as so. Bed temp, 100 degrees Celsius. Maximum print size, 220 by 220 by 250. Molding technology, FDM. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Interface type, USB.